Welcome back to Motivation of Life, our channel dedicated to inspiring journeys and opportunities. Today, we're thrilled to unveil an exciting prospect that could transform your life: the New Brunswick Critical Worker Program. This groundbreaking initiative, a collaboration between the New Brunswick government and the federal authorities, is your gateway to Canada. Get ready to embark on an enlightening journey as we delve into the intricacies of this remarkable program. Hassle-free entry to Canada. Imagine realizing your Canadian dream without the usual obstacles. No tests, no educational assessments, and no stringent financial requirements. Best of all, age is no barrier. This opportunity is open to all. But that's just the beginning. When you decide to make New Brunswick your new home, comprehensive settlement services will guide you seamlessly through the transition. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into these invaluable services later in this video. Unity and family inclusion. Moreover, this program is all about unity. You won't be alone on this journey. Your family is invited too. Envision embarking on this new chapter of your life with your loved ones by your side. But before we continue, let's take a moment to familiarize ourselves with New Brunswick's location on the map. Nestled among the picturesque Atlantic provinces, it's a stone's throw from Prince Edward Island. And remember, these Atlantic provinces, including Nova Scotia and Newfoundland, offer their own unique pathways through the Atlantic Immigration Program, a topic we'll cover in our upcoming videos. The New Brunswick Critical Worker Program in depth. Now, let's dive deep into the New Brunswick Critical Worker Program. This visionary program emerged from the province's desire to address its low population and the ensuing demand for new residents. A 5-year pilot initiative, it is engineered to combat the pressing labor shortages across different sectors and regions of New Brunswick. A true testament to collaboration. This program is a joint endeavor between the province and the federal government, underscoring their commitment to surmounting the labor scarcity. Esteemed employers and their roles. Under the program's aegis, 6 discerning employers have been empowered to recruit international workers. These employers boast a reputation for equitable hiring practices. Let's take a closer look at each of them. 1. Cooke Aquaculture, renowned for exceptional marine farming, supplying North America with exquisite seafood. 2. J.D. Irving Ltd, a versatile conglomerate spanning agriculture, construction, forestry, retail, and more, with over a century of experience. 3. Groupe Savoie, an industry leader in hardwood products, known for their hardware components. 4. Groupe Westco, a poultry farming powerhouse, delivering eggs, meat, and poultry products. 5. Imperial Manufacturing Group, crafting metal and plastic heating components, air conditioning, and building products. 6. McCain Foods Ltd, a global leader in premium potato products, specializing in frozen and pre-fried delights. Benefits of the New Brunswick Critical Worker Program. As we unravel the intricacies of the New Brunswick Critical Worker Program, let's unveil its exceptional benefits. Embracing you with open arms, these employers provide comprehensive settlement services. From housing to transportation, schooling to community integration. Every detail is meticulously orchestrated for your comfort. Language services are another jewel in this program's crown. If English or French support is needed, you'll receive 200 hours of language assistance. Further, requisite job training will be provided, ensuring you're well prepared for your role. Here's a gem for your spouse too. They can join you in Canada and work under an open permit. and the prospects for your children. They'll have access to quality education, an opportunity to study in Canada. But the piece de resistance: if you're selected by one of these esteemed employers, your path to a work permit, and even permanent residency, could be paved. Believe in yourself. Pathway to Dreams in Canada. While the program's current scope may be limited, it remains committed to evaluating and improving its performance, with potential opportunities for broader participation in the future. If you're an employer interested in how New Brunswick's economic immigration programs can support your workforce needs, check out the information provided in the video description. And for those of you seeking job opportunities in New Brunswick, we encourage you to connect with our esteemed participant employers for potential roles. Crafting your resume, Canadian style. Now, let's talk about achieving success and making your dreams a reality through the New Brunswick Critical Worker Pilot Program 2023. Taking that first step is crucial. Believe in yourself, and you can conquer any challenge. Pursuing a job in Canada might seem daunting, but fear not, it's an attainable goal. Your dedication is key, so seize this opportunity to expand your skills and knowledge. With determination, you can make it happen. Now, let's move on to creating a Canadian standard resume that will stand out. Crafting a Canadian-style resume involves presenting your qualifications and work experience in a specific format widely accepted in Canada. Here's a step-by-step guide. 1. Contact information. Place your full name, address, phone number, and professional email at the top. 2. Resume objective or summary, optional. A concise statement at the beginning that summarizes your career goals or key qualifications. 3. Work experience. List your work experience in reverse chronological order, including job title, company, location, employment dates, responsibilities, and achievements. 4. Education. Include your educational qualifications in reverse chronological order, mentioning the institution, degree, diploma, and dates attended. 5. Skills. Highlight relevant technical and soft skills applicable to the job you're seeking, aligning with the job posting. 6. Certifications and professional memberships, optional. Include relevant certifications and memberships. 7. Volunteer experience, optional. Add volunteer experience if relevant to the job. 8. Additional sections, optional. Depending on your background, consider sections for projects, awards, publications, or language proficiency. 9. References. State that references are available upon request. You don't need to include them on the resume. 10. Formatting tips. Organize the resume with clear headings, bullet points, professional fonts, and use white space effectively. 11. Proofreading. Thoroughly proofread for errors. 12. Save and send. Save as a PDF and follow the employer's instructions for submission. Remember to tailor your resume for each application by analyzing the job posting and customizing your qualifications accordingly. Creating a captivating cover letter. Your key to standing out: embrace the chance to apply for the New Brunswick Critical Worker Pilot Program 2023. It's an excellent pathway to your aspirations. Remember, the key is to take action now, as procrastination could hold you back from your dreams. With motivation and determination, success will be within your grasp. Moving on to creating a captivating Canadian standard cover letter. 1. Header. Start with your contact information. 2. Salutation. Address the recipient politely. 3. Opening. Begin with an attention-grabbing sentence showcasing your enthusiasm for the opportunity. 4. Research and passion. Demonstrate your knowledge of the company, values, and mission. Explain why you're inspired by their work and how your skills align. 5. Qualifications. Share your most relevant accomplishments and experiences, focusing on quantifiable achievements. 6. Job requirements. Address how your qualifications match their needs, showcasing your passion for the industry and your eagerness to contribute. 7. Personality. Infuse your personality positively to connect with the reader. 8. Closing paragraph. Conclude with a strong call to action, expressing gratitude and requesting an interview. 9. Closing salutation. End politely. 10. Signature. Sign with your full name. 11. Proofreading. Check for errors. Remember, your cover letter is an opportunity to convey not only your skills but also your passion and motivation for the role. Conclusion. If the prospects unveiled today have stirred your excitement and curiosity about Canadian immigration, consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. We're dedicated to equipping you with the latest news, insights, and strategies to navigate this journey successfully. Your support fuels our passion. We eagerly await your thoughts and queries. Share your questions and preferences for future content in the comments below. Thank you for your unwavering support. This video was crafted to illuminate your path. If you're eager to seize opportunities with these companies and transform your aspirations of moving to Canada into reality, stay tuned for our forthcoming video. A step-by-step guide to the application process. Once again, thank you for being part of this journey. Until next time.